You don't have enough Bitcoin. This is the crypto bull case. Bitcoin bull case. Perhaps I am a bull-tard. Over-optimistic. Perhaps not. So we've been through a lot over the last year and a half. Where do you think we are now on the market cycle? Bitcoin crypto has been attacked by pretty much everything. Perhaps now is a good time for the smart money to come in. Perhaps now is when the big money is going to make their moves. So the crypto Bitcoin play will pan out over the next couple of decades, not years. So once in a generation opportunity, exponential growth, network effects. Take the time to understand these. And the money coming into this crypto space is not the equivalent of what's currently in the financial system. It's much bigger. Every asset will be on chain because it's cheaper to value and exchange. There'll only be two types of assets, and the ones that aren't on chain will be heavily discounted. So asset managers have targets. It's not like for like. Every asset will be moving on chain. So there's currently over 100 trillion in equities, right? There's at least 5 times that if you include global real estate, private equity, public debt. This picture's the best I've seen in terms of summing up technologies and when culture can change so quickly. And think about the percentage of households that don't currently have the internet. Most didn't, right? That's relatively new if you take a look at the last 100 years. Pay attention to what they do, right? Not what they say. So this is a screenshot of the owners of MicroStrategy. MicroStrategy is Michael Saylor's Dow Jones listed regulated company that is 100% Bitcoin. It is a way for institutional investors to invest by proxy in Bitcoin. You can verify this on money.cnn.com and look at how much, look at how much Fidelity have increased their ownership recently. For those of you that don't know the big asset management companies in the world, Blackrock and Vanguard, you'd be surprised at how many of the brands that you recognize roll up into these entities. It's pretty much a proxy for the deep state, the governments of the West. And if you haven't seen this documentary, I strongly recommend it. Now, BlackRock has applied for an ETF. This means that so much more liquidity will enter the market once this gets accepted. And they have an astonishing track record of having ETFs approved. Look what happened to when they launched the first gold ETF on the price action of gold. We're expecting similar for Bitcoin. Larry Fink, the CEO, says that all assets will be tokenized. Listen to the VP of Franklin Templeton talk on the Wolf of Wall Street podcast about why they went on chain and to primarily save costs. Most of BlackRock's securities are via the Ondo platform on the Ethereum chain. This is a price prediction for MicroStrategy by Invest Answers. So don't let them shake you out. If you've been thinking about it, you're not going to have prices at this level for much longer.